In this video I want to talk about Tip Kiosk, a new app by CSI Works, which converts a customer-facing device into more than just a display of your logo. Instead, you can entice customers to tip your bartenders, your servers, your service personnel, and without letting the customers go into the Clover functionalities. So it's actually much better to be utilized on a mini than station or a flex. Unfortunately, I only have a station and a flex, so imagine using this on a mini rather than on these devices, right? So Tip Kiosk, here you can edit the headlines or the names of the different kinds of tips. There's an option to basically define the amounts or prompt the customer for the amount, right? And then there's a way to start this. So once you start, it's going to go into full screen mode, and basically here it is. These are the options that you've set up. You select one of these, and that initiates a transaction, which is pretty cool. Let me show you how the transaction works. Right, and so basically you go through the transaction and you're taken back to that screen again. That's pretty much it. But it's a pretty cool way of earning more tips rather than just displaying something else on the device while it's idling. There you go.